Just when the entire world thought that the worst might be finally be behind us. Well, very new, powerful message. It has come from the leadership of Iran and it changes everything again. Ladies and gentlemen, the announcement of a ceasefire by Donald Trump may have paused the firing on paper, but on the ground, the message from Tehran it's very, very different. According to Iran's new leader, Mr. Mojtaba Khamenei, this war is not over. It has only entered a new phase now. In a striking order to the whole military, Iranian commander has instructed all units to halt the operation, but for now. This is not being presented as peace. Well, it is being framed as a temporary pause, a strategic silence. Officials inside Iran are openly calling the ceasefire conditional, meaning everything depends on what happens next in negotiations with the United States. And behind the calm tone, there is a very clear warning that is being sent. This pause, it can end at any moment if talks fail. What makes this even more intense is the narrative that is coming from Iranian state media. After nearly 40 days of the conflict, they are now claiming that Iran has achieved almost all of its military and strategic objectives. It is being portrayed as a moment of strength rather than compromise. Let me simplify this for you. The message behind this is that Iran has not backed down. Iran has repositioned. And yes, at the very same time, their foreign minister, Abbas Araghchi, he has made another major announcement that has caught the global attention. He confirms that Iran will allow safe passage through the Strait of Hormuz, but only for a very limited period of 2 weeks. And it's not a small decision. This narrow waterway, it is one of the most critical oil routes in the world. And even a hint of disruption over here, it can shake the global energy market. So when Iran says it will allow the passage, it is also quietly signaling that it controls the passage. And now all eyes are shifting towards the next phase. High-level talks expected in Islamabad, where representatives of the United States and Iran, they are preparing for what could be the most important negotiations since the whole war began. But these are not talks that are held in peacetime. They are happening after weeks of strikes, threats, escalating tension, where trust is fragile and every statement carries hidden weight. So, ladies and gentlemen, the question now is very simple, but it is extremely serious. Is this the beginning of de-escalation or just a short break before the next explosion of conflict? Because even though the guns, it may have gone silent for now, the war of words, strategy, power, it is still very much alive. And the whole world is watching, waiting, holding its breath.